everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is the 6th of March 2021 and today is day 3 of our stay at Jaipur. So today is the final day. Tomorrow we will be going from here. So for today we are going to visit Amer Fort, and then after that we will go to Chokidhani at night. And that's done already and set to go. Just needs to put on his shoes.
Put on your shoes, yeah.
So as we drove towards Amer Fort, at one of the red lights, a person on a bike asked us if we wanted a guide. So he said he would charge only 100 rupees and free. You will get free parking also. So at that moment we said no, that we don't want any guide. When we reached the parking, there was already a person standing there, and he also asked us if we wanted a guide, and he said he would charge 200 rupees and plus whatever parking fee that we have to pay, which is 50 rupees. So that was one option. Another option he gave us was that they already provide jeeps over there, so you can take that jeep. With the jeep you will get a guide, and you have to pay for the parking also, I guess. But the amount came to almost the same if we took the jeep also. And as we already had our own vehicle, so we did not go for the jeep option. We took our own vehicle and we got the guide, who charged us 200 rupees. So this is where you get down, and this place right in front is the parking. As you walk up towards the fort, all through you can see small stalls, people selling various things. They look so beautiful and they look so tempting, but I know you can't buy everything. But we just enjoyed watching all these things over here: decorative items, bangles, purses, juti. This is what Amer Fort looks from the outside. You walk from down there and you come up over here. After you enter in, to your right, there is a washroom. There is a small shop where you can get snacks and drinks. And next to that is the ticket counter from where you can get your tickets. For Indian citizens is rupees 100. For Indian students, if you have an ID card, then it's rupees 30. And for foreigners, 500 rupees. And for foreigner students, 150 rupees.
सामने जो चमकता हुआ गेट देख रहे हैं यही है महाकाली का मंदिर। इसके सेंटर में गणेश जी की जो है मूर्ति है कोरल की, और जो देख रहे हैं पूरा जो है देवी के सारे जो है उसके ऊपर फिगर हैं। हाँ, नौ दुर्गा। इधर जो है स्पेशल जो स्टेचू है मेन
अब उस समय जो जमीन की कीमत 10,000 थी, आज उसकी
और यहाँ पर रेत बिछाई थी वो अंग्रेज से भाले का जो लड़ाई आती है यहाँ 10 मिनट का। और इस परिसर में लकड़ी का पूरा पैलेस था जो जैकी श्रॉफ यहाँ का राजा बन के बैठा था। माधवगढ़ का किला, वीर मूवी का पहला कोटियाड ये है। अंदर चलेंगे वो है ऋतिक रोशन। वो ऋतिक रोशन का है दीवाने आम जो जोधा अकबर में दिखाया गया।
तो वो यहाँ की शूटिंग है?
ये जो दीवाने आम की शूटिंग। आइए चलते हैं।
ये कोटियाड
हमने एक पिक्चर सुनी यार।
अब हम लोग यहाँ राजा के शाही दरबार के सामने खड़े हैं। ये 16th सेंचुरी में राजा लोगों का अपनी जनता की समस्या सुनने के लिए बैठने के लिए हॉल बनाया गया। इस हॉल में देखिए हाथी के चेहरे जो लोटस फ्लावर के साथ है वो हिंदू आर्किटेक्चर। नीचे जो देख रहे हैं फूल पत्ती का जो डिजाइन है ये सारा मुगल यानी उस समय का इस्लामिक आर्किटेक्चर। तो इसमें जो है राजा ने 64 जो है मार्बल के पिलर लगाए हैं और ये जो है उस समय के सॉलिड है, आज भी वैसे ही है। सिर्फ फर्श की रिपेयरिंग की गई है, लाइटें दोबारा लगाई गई है, अदरवाइज जो बना था वैसा का वैसा है। क्योंकि मुगलों ने इनसे दोस्ती कर रखी थी, इनकी जो है डॉटर से उनका विवाह हो चुका था, तो यहाँ लड़ाइयों में इनकी लोगों ने तोड़ा। यही मान सिंह राजा अकबर के साथ मिल गया महाराणा प्रताप के ऊपर, उसने चित्तौड़गढ़ में अटैक किया। तो इनके फूट आज भी नीट एंड क्लीन जैसे थे वैसे हैं।
ऐसे के वैसे ही है।
ये सामने का जो देख रहे हैं ब्यूटीफुल गेट है, इस गेट का निर्माण महाराजा जयसिंह ने करवाया था। इसका नाम है गणेश द्वार। गणेश जी की फोटो सेंटर में देख सकते हैं और रॉयल लेडीज के जाली झूलों के ऊपर है। क्योंकि जब दरबार नीचे लगता था तो रानियां उस लाइट से देख सकती थी। पीछे की तरफ काले कलर के पर्दे लगाते ताकि डार्क से लाइट में इजी देखा जा सके। उस जमाने में जैसे ही राजा लोग अपने महलों से बाहर लड़ाइयों में जाते थे, वापस आते थे, इस गेट से अंदर जाते, ऊपर से गुलाब के फूल रानियां बरसाती, राजाओं का वेलकम करती। तो ये वेलकम द्वार गणेश द्वार है। राजाओं के सामने रसोई घर हुआ करते थे, देख रहे हैं यहाँ खाने पकते थे। सामने जो 5 गेट है उसके सामने पर्दे होते, स्टोर वो हुआ करते थे। हरे पत्थर की जो 5 जालियाँ हैं वो महल परिसर से अंदर डाइनिंग हॉल में आकर जो है खाना खाने के लिए मुर्गी मसाला।
This is the Turkish bath. This is where they used to heat up water. They would put wood over here and heat up water. And from the same place above, you can also see the saffron garden. And this is their tub. This is the area where they used to have their baths. As you move out from their bathing area, here you can see this is their toilets or washroom that they used to use. This is Sukh Mandir. The royal family would stay here during the day in the summers. This consisted of a long chamber with rooms on both sides and a veranda overlooking the garden. The back wall of the main chamber has a beautiful marble cascade formed by a perforated marble screen, which is connected with a stripped channel. So here the cascade was once provided with running water from the tank that was built on the roof of the building, and when the breeze would blow, it would act as a cooling device and would cool the area. This is the Sheesh Mahal. When we arrived, there was shooting going on, so we could not see it much properly. But this is what the Sheesh Mahal looks like. This is the place where the queen used to spend her evenings. She used to sit with her dasis and enjoy the evening. So we are in Amer Fort, and there's this very beautiful shop over here. It's called as Amer Palace Shop, and this is Zubair ji.
Yes. So my Banata is a magnet. We are making for this all kind of magnet, jewelry, also handicraft items, bangles, earrings. And we got this. It's very reasonable prices here. You can get it like 100 rupees starting price. 100 rupees bangles, earrings, magnet 100. So yeah. When you visit to this place and when you visit the palace, do visit his shop. We'll put the link in description too.
So if you come here, please do stop by and get yourself something beautiful from here.
Beautiful magnets, very beautiful.
So if you're coming here to this Bhojanalaya place, you'll get a lot of shops. You'll find a lot of shops over here. These are actually rooms for the other ladies and all that, but they have converted that into nice beautiful shops.
Emergency tunnel to Jaigarh Fort for the Queen and other royal members during an emergency. You go from here to the Jaigarh Fort. You could come here before the COVID lockdown to around 100 meters inside, but now it's closed.
These were the kadhais they used to use to cook food for everyone in the palace. This is the pot in which they used to keep water for it to stay cool.
This was dug underground and kept inside.
And as all of us were almost like fully drained out and tired, just look at the stamina of this child. He did not want us to hold him. He wanted to climb the stairs on his own. Wow. Sure. So there is a CCD inside the fort as well towards the exit. You can enjoy a refreshing drink. So that's where we end our visit to Amber Fort. We will also be visiting Chowki Dhani after this, but I will make a separate video on that. So stay tuned to watch my next video. Until we meet again, keep spreading lots of joy and happiness. This is Arpita. Bye.